Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, working with part 2. And I did bother to continue to pull out all of my anomalous, strange, extra rays. And now I think I'm going to add another little ring of white as best I can on the inside. And in theory, I could probably pull some chain if I wanted to, but I'm not sure that that is the case yet. I would like my center circle to look a little rounder than it does, and I really want something in there, and I'm not sure what it is. I kind of liked when I added these, come on. It is very warm out here now. The little gold dots in between, which I think I'm going to just add a little more cohesiveness to the pattern by putting those dots in every void, even if it's not even, because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. Below, show more. I didn't mention the Amazon link in part 1, but I'm mentioning it now. I'm not looking for perfection. It is mandala-esque. That's fine. I'm not really sure how that's going to look, but I am sure that if I want to, I can go in and spiral it out. And that is with the kind of schmutzy tip of a bamboo skewer that's been painted so often that it's not so sharp that I'm in danger of hurting my canvas. Just a little spiral, picking up some paint nearby to make it show up. Just a minor detail. And it is so hot like right now that I am soaking my bandana in the shade. So this is probably my only painting for this part of the day. And I think that worked kind of okay. I also think I like other colors, and I want to figure out what colors I'm going to do something with. Maybe I should make sure that I can actually get paint out of this bottle completely, freely. Well, I might regret that, because I actually, yep, there's a little plug in there that would have caused me some anxiety. Alright, so let's give it a try and hope for the best. I think I'm going to go around the gold. And I did what I just did on purpose so that I could fill in with gold, and I don't know how that's going to work yet, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm bound and determined this is not going to be a center scrape. But it is looking a lot more circular than it was a moment ago, so I'm feeling somewhat successful about that. And I don't actually mind it either, which is even better. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm inclined to do all kinds of stuff, which is not surprising to anyone, least of which is like seeing if I can get away with pulling some paint around in a spiral and how that looks. Very stylized. Distract you from the fact that my circle's not as circular as I would wish it were. I'm so hoping this is not a mistake. You never know with me what I'm going to do, because I don't leave mistakes alone. Alright, so that's kind of cool, but I'm not as sure that I love it as I want to love it. So I'm just going to take a risk. Another one. And I don't know if those will actually stay floating on the surface of that metallic or not. There's a good possibility they may sink. I don't see any reason why I couldn't chain pull something in the center, except for every moment I lean over this painting is a dangerous move right now. I like how the paint comes out of this particular bottle fairly evenly. I thought that was going to be a famous last words for a second, as I got one larger splooge than the rest. Alright, that's still not making me happy yet. So I have choices. And they definitely include working until I'm happy. And if I have to stop and come back for part 3, I will. But in the meantime, I'm going for it. I expect to hit on some sort of formula that works in a second. And fingers and toes are crossed. Calling my muse. Come to me, baby. Okay, I like that better for sure. I want something around the inside of these dots, and I'm really, really inclined to think that I can get away with the purple, but I don't know that I'm right or not. So I'm just going to do it anyway. See how I am. And if I have to spiral them out, I will. More. I think that was a risky one. I wasn't looking. Oh, I got to keep my bottle. Yeah? Fine. Be that way. Where's my where's my cupcake container? Can I still do that? Well, that was unfortunate. Maybe I'll be happy later. Good thing I used CAC 800 by Golden. That's all I can say. Where's the straw I was using earlier? Oh, you hit it on yourself, didn't you? Okay, well I can't get it. There it is! Yay! Yeah, I haven't had to torch and it's still coming up. I'm going to use some of this gold mica powder I haven't used in a dog's age and see what happens. Because I know it's more liquidous and it will spread nicely. Well, it's going to look very organic. That's a bottle drop. Well, I have the same color black paint, so at least it's not a primed dry canvas from the store. I'm not impressed with that yet. Let's see if I can rotate this. I'm gonna have to go back the other way. I don't care for gloppy paint, so I guess what I'm gonna do is try something different. Just spread out what I've got with an unmodified basting brush and hope, if I'm lucky, that the heavy paint in the center, which is only mica powder mixed with pouring mediums, will help me resolve my issue. Not sure about those splodges. Well, this could take a minute, or 10. I hope not. Hey, who knew? From the outside in. We're learning new things today, I'll tell you what. And the basting brush holds a bunch of paint, so it deposits what I need. All these little splodges here can be fixed tomorrow pretty easily. And then all I really want to do with that center is wish and a prayer. This is also, in my opinion, going to mix the different paints and pouring mediums together and hopefully allow them to fix themselves. I don't know if I can consider this a disaster yet or not. I think I can just fix those in real time, unfortunately, because I don't do editing. And I got 5 minutes left, so I'm okay. I kind of like the patterns it's leaving. I wouldn't do it on purpose, though. Unexpected bonus. Funky cool pattern. I'm just gently touching that so that it will encourage the paint to remeld with itself. And I really do like that pattern. Wow. And I will finish the other stuff I've got here pretty quick, hopefully. And it will stay looking somewhat the same. Alright, so that's what we've got for that. Now I have to decide what else. Is it going to be black? It should be darker purple, I think. It would be nice. I know, on hot days they just plug right up. So, let's start over here. Move kind of quick. Looks like I might have screwed up the pattern. Just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Oh well. It just makes me want to pull a chain around there, but I'm not sure I can get away with that. I know what I could do. I'm inclined to. I'm going to put a little bit more, and you won't tell. I know you won't tell. So at least we're filled in, right? Make it cohesive. Boy, do I really want to do that? Wow. I either want to go in or I want to go out. I think I want to go out. I hope I don't regret this. Kind of looks like I might. I know I said I was going to save the black, but oh well. Things change. I had really pretty cells too. Well, I have no doubt that even though it was fabulous for a while, if it's not fabulous anymore, then it'll get fixed. And there's some places that definitely needed some adjustment anyway. And some splooges. I know, I'm quiet. I'm cogitating. Not really. I'm sort of in the zone, and I'm hoping that this doesn't become a disaster. But I'm kind of hopeful that we can get away with it. Gotta remember the long ones are a problem. Well, it'll be something anyway. Now I'm just going to go back and decide what else I want to do. No, that is wrong. That is so wrong. That is not what I wanted there at all. I want a rag now. Can you make more mistakes in one video? That's straight Floetrol. I do not want that there. And my wet rag is a little less absorbent than it can be at times. Alright, I'm just going to hit that when I come back around. Maybe I'll use a different... No, I won't. Yeah. Okay. So, I will use a different. Fine. I'm having a hard time today. What can I say? I will rescue this. I promise. Somehow, some way, I will. That was the fastest 20 minutes ever, although it wasn't really 20 minutes, so. But I am going to have to operate a little quicker. And I might have some schmutz I have to fix tomorrow. And I definitely shouldn't have left that paint bottle in my way. So I love you guys. There's over 80,000 of you. And I'm glad you're here. Those of you who still are. And I hope you keep coming back. There's usually an announcement on my community page on my channel of what tomorrow's video will be. You can also find Patreon and PayPal if you want to donate to help keep me painting and bringing you videos. It's a $10 minimum, but there's a drawing announced on the end screens of the video for an exhibition video that'll show you what the prize is in any given month. And I'm actually sort of catching up a little bit, somewhat. I will be torching to release the bubbles in the paint. I will be fixing this tomorrow if there's something I see that I can do. I don't hate it. I really actually have some great affection for this right now. Even as I am continuously destroying what I like that's underneath the chain pulls. But I'm right down to the wire, and I'm happy that you guys are here. And I want to say thank you for all the contributions you've made in the past that have kept me painting all this time. If you want to watch videos, if you want to watch my videos, you can go to the channel and find playlists of 9 sets of hundreds, and you can also find topics. Oh, you know what? I don't know. Can I? I don't really want to do that. So, I love you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I hope to see you again soon. I'm usually here tomorrow. There's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors for fans and collectors, where you can find a lot of my artwork posted. And it's not perfect, and I got a few things to fix, but I don't hate it, and I can probably steal some paint too if I want to. If I need to. I might want to go down the edges of everything with some gold or something tomorrow, but in the meantime, I'll just spiral away till you're gone. And I might do some more of that in the purple.